In this video, I will show you how to get gift cards on Sweatcoin. To get started, go ahead and open Sweatcoin on your device and sign in into your account. So make sure that you have at least 500 Sweatcoin on your account to be able to avail gift cards on the platform. So you can earn the Sweatcoins by meeting your step goals in a daily basis. So you can find the gift cards under the shop section. So go ahead and click on the shop section. You can also find other ways to earn Sweatcoins on the shop section. So as you can see in here are a few gift cards that you can choose from. Just scroll down and you'll be able to find the gift card section. So as you can see in here, the smallest amount of gift card that you can buy is $3. And the biggest is $15. For a $15 gift card, you'll need to have 2,000 Sweatcoins and pay 2,000 Sweatcoins to be able to buy this gift card. And that is how you can simply get gift cards on Sweatcoin. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.